Everybody, it's Ryan. If you're trying to get your lawn a little bit darker, to give you the opportunity to do some stripes, this video just might be for you. So I've been testing out this here Simple Lawn Solution, promotes deeper green lawn and garden grass. And so what you do is you get a sprayer like this. You set it to number 3, and 1 gallon is going to get you about 17,000 square feet of grass. 17,000 square feet, give or take a couple thousand square feet, depending on how you want to do it. The directions say about 3 ounces on your sprayer. So this, your dial sprayer, set it to number 3, and then you got about 5 to 10 ounces per 1,000 square feet. This application is right at about 7.5 ounces per 1,000, and oh boy, does it do the trick, let me tell you. So it's recommended to do this in the morning, so depending on your climate right now, for this example, it gets pretty hot, you know, mid 80s at least at the top of the day here, and this is filmed in the early part of June. Climate zone 7, kind of give you an idea. This is a fescue lawn. I don't know what this would look like on Bermuda or St. Augustine or anything like that, but this is fescue. And a little secret is to get it a little bit darker. A little bit darker is do about a 15%, maybe up to, but at least 15 to 20% blend if you got fescue, tall fescue, with Kentucky bluegrass. Kentucky bluegrass, if you didn't know, spreads has rhizomes, I believe, and it spreads, and so it fills in the cracks. But Kentucky bluegrass, the reason you want to go a little bit light on it, because you don't want to, Kentucky bluegrass needs a lot more, needs more water than fescue, and so just having a light blend, 15 to 20%, and the rest tall fescue, is going to make it a thicker grass. But more importantly, Kentucky bluegrass, the blades are a little bit darker green. So especially after a couple years, you'll notice it year 1 after you seed in the fall, but after a couple years, you'll notice your lawn, compared to your peers, your next door neighbors, if they're just doing fescue, is going to be a little bit on the darker side. But then when you slap some of this on it, holy shinolas, within about a week it gets nice and dark. And the recommended use really comes down to an individual, is about every 4 to 6 weeks. And this can be put down, because there's no fertilizer in it, this can be put down in the summer, but it is recommended to put down in the morning, especially if you're following, I'd say, correct best practices when watering your lawn, to water it in the morning to mimic the natural dew of your climate, versus watering in the evening, because watering in the evening, what happens is it allows for the opportunity for fungus to grow, because the water just sits on your lawn all night long, and with it being, let's just say, a warm summer, the fungus can grow, and that's not so good for the lawn. So try to mimic nature, water in the morning every 4 to 6 weeks in the growing season, and you will have some darker grass. Hope this helps and answers all the questions you might have about this product.